my name is Helen and a very warm welcome to my channel. I am at Chapel House Estate, Ramsgate in Kent. This is a wedding and events venue and it has the most beautiful gardens. So I'm here today to film them and to take you along with me. Henry de Thorne had a grand mansion, and despite the local town of Minster having a church, he decided to build his own private manorial chapel in 1290. This ancient chapel has flint walls. Flints look like pebbles or a stone, and they can be found in the local chalky soil. They are very hard-wearing for building material. Nearer to the chapel there is a series of garden rooms. This is the dew lawn and pond area. Originally, the pond water was used for livestock when Thorne Farm surrounded the chapel. The pond was naturally created in this area when storm water gathered here. Now there are only plants surrounding the pond and these very delicate cream lilies. Different varieties of fruit are grown in the gardens. The old Mort granary, built of timber and brick, and the chapel have perfect walls for producing fruit. Here on the barn we can see these wonderful grapevines. Together they cover the length of the building. Cup-shaped nests have been installed under the eaves of the granary to invite swifts and swallows to make their home here and raise their young. This espalier tree, trained against the chapel wall, is laden with pears. They look absolutely delicious. I would be very grateful if you would give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to be notified of my next video, and also share with other people. Thank you very much. Here is another pond close to the chapel with beautiful planting. Wildlife is very much encouraged here. Nest boxes, bug hotels, biodiversity and working with nature is found throughout these gardens. The ancient apple orchard bears heritage fruit. Some of the fruit is used seasonally in the restaurant, and some of the fruit is left for the wildlife, which includes a large variety of birds and mammals. Paths have been mown through the orchard grass, which has been left to grow wild. It is to encourage a biodiverse habitat. bug hotel has been fastened to this tree. It has been made from hollow canes. A variety of insects are attracted to these hotels, such as solitary bees and ladybirds. These two enormous mistletoe plants have attached themselves to this apple tree. The mistletoe uses the apple tree as a host. Birds such as mistle thrush and blackcaps are species that like to eat the berries and very efficient in spreading the seeds, creating a symbiotic relationship between the plant and bird. The mistletoe has a great many traditions attached to it. The most well known is kissing beneath it. Thank you, Chapel House Estate, for sharing your lovely gardens.